This review is of Kroger's Buffalo Style shaved chicken breast. No antibiotics ever. Gluten free. And wow, why did they write that? Okay, coated with spices, flavorings, and seasoning. Oh my god, that sounds excessive. It's USDA inspected. And there are the nutrition facts and ingredients. And safe handling instructions. Ooh, because it's very dangerous. Hold on, I'm going to cook it. Alright, so let's give it a try, shall we? Honestly, it's a lot milder than I thought it would be. Without the sauce, if you don't get any sauce on it, other than what it cooked into it, it's very, very mild. If you get some of the sauce, still pretty mild. So, I guess what I can say is, if you like buffalo chicken, but you want it to be strong and spicy, this is not going to be the right choice. But if you want something mild, a little bit sour, a little bit spicy, this is an excellent choice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.